charged. Just rolled up on site to the new location here. Looks promising. It's raining pretty heavy now, bitch. Home, sweet home. You're gonna stab your tarp.
Stab something in a second. Fucking stupid.
Mint shop area. Raining like a motherfucker the last 2 days. It's gonna keep fucking raining. It's in a more central location now, so we have more access to paint it without getting overspray anywhere. Got all the doors, cabinets, inside out, bumper. Definitely getting there. Mr. Deasy's, what do we have here? Deasy's working on some shit. Oh boy. He's got the 7.3 jacked up on here. Damn. Already got wheels on this thing, kid? No, these are different. I remember it had like weird silver ones.
Yeah, they're a little fucky.
But yeah, this is the 1997 POWERSTROKE 7.3 Ford with the service body and the crane. Crane is badass. Got another 7.3 back here, and another 7.3, and a welder chilling over here. Just with really light grit, we're going with, this is 220 right now, so I'm going 220 grit. I'm gonna sand it all, and then like everywhere, and then probably paint it lightly, another one coat, and then go 330 grit on top, all over, paint it again, and then probably go like 400 on top of that for a final. And then we'll bedline it and paint the crane. And yeah, we'll get this thing on the road. Things love oil. What's up? How's this motherfucker coming? Not too much longer, he says. I would have broken that bit so long ago.